Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Now we know many of you are spending a lot more time at home, which makes it the perfect time to get things done around the house and to improve your home environment. Lawns are the perfect place to get a bit of exercise, to do some gardening, or to get that extra bit of space and fresh air. All Lawn Solutions Australia members practice contactless delivery, so today we're going to take you through the process of growing, harvesting and delivering turf from our farm to your door. Grass grown on the turf farm is done so in most cases by planting sprigs or through the establishment of ribbons of grass that are left behind after the previous harvest. It can take anywhere from 3 months to 12 months for the grass to mature and be ready for harvesting depending on the variety and the time of year. This process requires no direct human contact with the grass. Once the grass has reached maturity, it's time to harvest. Harvesting has changed considerably over the years, from once being a back-breaking, labour-intensive job to being a fully automated process with robotic harvesting technology. Turf is stacked on a pallet with a robotic arm and requires no human contact. It is then loaded onto a truck with a forklift ready for delivery to your door. While laying out the turf itself is an easy job, you'll get best results if you spend some time measuring your lawn area correctly, preparing the soil and following our tips available on our website to get your lawn well established after it's laid. When you are ready for your new lawn, it's as simple as placing an order online or over the phone and the turf will be delivered to you ready to lay without any direct contact required. With the Lawn Solutions Australia national network of turf suppliers offering contactless harvesting, ordering and delivering, there couldn't be a better time to spruce up your outdoor space with a new lawn. Check out the Lawn Solutions Australia website for more helpful lawn care tips and advice, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.